Alright, so that is sufficiently swoopy. Alright, now I'm just going to add in a teeny... My brush was not having that. Hey guys, welcome to Palette Roulette Tuesday. So I am super excited. We are doing the Naked Heat because Palette Roulette Tuesday follows Throwback Palette Thursday with the same palette. So last Thursday's palette was Naked Heat, and we are going to be doing Palette Roulette with this. So I'm super excited. Are you? Are you? I am. Also, sorry if there is any small frying pan sizzling bacon in the background. This is something we are currently working on. It's been the biggest hurdle for this YouTube channel, is trying to get the sound down. I think what we're gonna have to do is get a new editing software where it has like that no crackle feature, that you can take out the crackling in the background or any kind of buzzings, hums, anything like that, so it's just nice and quiet. So I apologize if the sound is a little wonky, but know that we are working on it. If you guys are new to this Palette Roulette Tuesday, what I do is I take a palette from the previous Throwback Palette Thursday. I'll link it up here in the corner. Well, actually, it's more up here. But what I do is I have an app pick 4 colors for me, and then I get to choose one. That being because it might pick 4 shimmers, and I'm getting a matte. Or it might pick 4 mattes, and I might either need another matte or a shimmer to complete the look. So it's a surprise to everyone, which is why I already don't have one eye done, because we're going to do them at the same time, because I don't know. And also, I haven't picked out any of the other makeup yet as well, because that's going to be a surprise depending on the look. So let's go ahead and get into this, because, I mean, we're not getting any younger sitting here talking your ear off. So Naked Heat has 12 colors. And I'm going to be swatching the colors on the back of my hand, so I will show you as I go through. But let's go ahead and, this always starts on 49, always. I don't know why. So the first color is 12, which is the very last color, Ember, this darkest one right here. So let's go ahead and put that on our hand, and that is a shimmer. And, ooh, she's dark, girl. Next, 9. Oh, okay, okay. Ooh, we get a matte. So next is Cayenne, which is this beautiful color here. Warm brown. Oh, yep. So far this is dark, y'all. Alright, the next color, 12. Alright, we got 12 already. 6. Alright, 6. Oh my goodness. This is so dark. Next is He Devil. Oh, this is a beautiful terracotta brown, also a matte. So putting that on our hands. So far, it's really dark. If I get another dark one, obviously I'm gonna have to do a light shade, because this is a really dark look. This is why I get one shade. All right, this is the last shade, so let's see what we get. 10. This is so dark. Okay, 10 is En Fuego. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be so dark. Really? That's what we have to work with. All the dark shades. He Devil, Cayenne, En Fuego, and Ember. Okay, obviously I'm going in with a light shade, and I am going in with the lightest shade, which is Ounce. So, there is my color. Oh, where is it? There's my color. Alright, well this is gonna be interesting. Let's do this. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is just focus on one eye, and then as we go on to the next color, I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera. So when it jumps back and I have this other eye done, that's why. I mean, obviously. For my transition shade, I'm gonna go in with Cayenne, which was this color. Oh, that's pigmented. This is just a big fluffy brush, and I set my eye, and so this just has a little bit of translucent powder left. So that's not technically a color, and I'm just kind of blending the top of that out. I love this color. This is so pretty for fall. Oh yes, there we go. All right, now I'm gonna go right below this shade with He Devil. I'm still just cracking up that it gave me like all the dark colors. I am going to deepen up this corner just a little bit more, and then we are going in with Ember all over the lid. That just happened. Gotta love Palette Roulette. I don't want to give you guys the same look that I did on Throwback Palette Thursday. I want to give you guys something different and new that I haven't done. And I definitely have not done Ember all over my lid. So we're doing it. Oh, and I totally forgot to do the other. Whatever. I guess I'll just do that one later. Alright, you guys. We're going in with Ember. Alright, we are putting this all over the lid. I don't know what this fallout's like, so let's knock that off. Oh, this is happening. This just this just happened. It's happening. This just got real dark real fast. Oh my. I don't know if I want to kind of smoke it up and then maybe add a wing. Yeah, we're gonna do that real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna actually smoke this out a little bit more. So I am taking Cayenne again, and I'm going to be swooping this out towards the tail of my brow very softly. We don't want to go too crazy. Okay, and then I'm going to take He Devil and swoop that one out right up under Cayenne very softly towards the tail of my brow. And we're gonna clean this corner up with some concealer, and it'll look nice and sharp. And then I'm gonna add a big old wing. Alright, so that is sufficiently swoopy. Alright, now I'm just gonna add in a teeny. My brush was not having that. Alright, so now I'm going in with Ember, and I'm going to be creating a teensy tiny kind of like wing right here at the bottom. Just a teensy. Just a teensy tiny teensy. Right there. Alright, so once that's cleaned up, it'll look beautiful, I promise. And my brush left that on my face. So thanks, brush. I am just blending this together here at the very edge. So now I am going to do my lower lash line, and then we're going to clean up that edge, and then I'm going to add in Ounce. And you know what? I know this is just this palette, but I am going to be super extra and add some glitter right here in the middle. So I'm going to go get that real quick. So I brought this in the last tutorial, and I think I want to bring it in again with this tutorial. I know it's one palette, but these are just, these could be like extra things like eyeliners and stuff. So I'm gonna add a teensy bit of gold right here in the center, and this is Gold Goddess by Stila in their Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glows. And I'm just popping a tiny bit right here in the center. All right, now that it's there in the middle, and I went super extra with this, y'all, I'm just gonna kind of blend out and tap out the edges of this, because once it dries, you can actually move it a lot better and it doesn't get patchy. When it's wet, you have to let it dry, or else it will get really patchy and just displace everything underneath it. But now that it's dry, I'm gonna kind of softly blend out those edges and disperse the glitter a little bit. I went real extra, y'all. Okay. Alright, so now that we are super extra on the top, I'm gonna be smoking out that lower lash line. In Fuego and He Devil mixed together on the lower lash line, and then just bring in a little bit of this glitter. Just a teeny tiny bit, like hugging that lower lash line right in the middle there. So let's do that. I am now adding just a simple brown eyeliner. And then I'm going to be doing the wing. Alright, so now that I have cleaned up this wing and added the lower lash line color, I am going to just highlight my brow bone and the inner corner with the color that I chose, which is over here, Ounce. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so I added my eyelashes, and these are just a really pretty pair of, I mean, look how long they are. Oh my goodness. But still, they're very natural looking, minus the fact that they're a mile long. But they're not like super thick. They're very wispy. And But anyways, so I'm gonna do this eye, and then we'll be right back to finish the rest of the face. Alright, I don't know why the coloring sometimes makes me look like an Oompa Loompa, but anyways. So since this eye look is so intense, I'm actually going in with a very light blush with just a teeny tiny little bit of shimmer. And it is the Butter Blush in Natural Glow. This is very natural, and it doesn't really have any color. It kind of just lifts your cheek by giving you kind of that skin color, but with a tiny little bit of a peachy sheen. And it just kind of lifts your cheeks up. I don't know if you can see the color. There's no color, but this color is so intense. I just really liked this look with just that little bit of peach shimmer. And I'm actually going in with the Flower Highlighter Blush kind of combo duo. And why is this so white? Anyways, alright. I'm gonna go in with this just a teensy bit on the top of my cheeks, and then this right up there. So I'm gonna do the highlight first, and then I'm gonna do that little blush shade. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, Flower Beauty, you're beautiful. Okay, let's just kiss of pink right here to the apples of the cheeks. Oh! That is not a kiss. That's intense. Oh my goodness, that's really intense. Alright, I'm actually going to go in with this because we're going to be extra. I'm putting gold everywhere else. Why? I don't know, because I want to. I want to be glowing. Alright, now I am going in with a very nude matte color. And this is by Colourpop. It's their Lippie Stix in Ink Blot. And it's kind of like this orangey nude color. I kind of wanted to just mimic that transition shade. So, let's go in here. Ooh. All right. Well, there you go, you guys. There is the finished look, and let me know if you guys like this. And make sure to leave me a comment below if you guys enjoyed this, or if you enjoy Palette Roulette, go ahead and give me a suggestion for my next throwback palette, because I can incorporate that and create those two, Palette Roulette and Throwback Palette Thursdays. And if you guys also have a tutorial using the Naked Heat, comment below. I would love to see that. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys like these kind of videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Because Palette Roulette with his... Woo! First, let's find my brush, huh? Woo! Oh, okay, seriously. Where are you, brush? I need you. Okay, this is annoying. Oh, found it. Okay. My brush. All right, before Gold Goblet. This is Gold Goddess by Stila in Magnificent Metal. Alright, I went a little too extra with this. Comment before. I guess that's the only thing I'll add it.